Car solar films, also known as window tints, are a popular aftermarket addition to vehicles. They offer a number of benefits, including reduced heat. Solar films can block up to 99% of the sun's UV rays, which helps to keep the interior of your car cooler. This can be a major benefit in hot climates, where temperatures can soar inside a parked car. Increased privacy. Solar films can darken your car's windows, which can make it more difficult for people to see inside. This can be a valuable benefit for people who want to keep their valuables or personal belongings out of sight. Reduced glare. Solar films can reduce glare from the sun, which can make it easier to see while driving. This can be especially beneficial for people who drive in areas with a lot of sunlight. Enhanced security. Solar films can make it more difficult for thieves to break into your car. This is because the film can make it harder to see inside the car, and it can also make the glass more shatter-resistant. Improved appearance. Solar films can give your car a more stylish look. They come in a variety of shades, so you can choose one that matches your personal taste. If you are considering getting car solar films, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure to choose a reputable installer. Second, check the laws in your state or municipality to make sure that the tint you choose is legal. Finally, be prepared to pay a few $100s for the installation. Thanks for watching. Please check description for much more on HVAC.